So here's Microsoft continuing lower. That is quite heavy. Not sure what's going on there on Microsoft, but there's selling. Let's keep Microsoft there. Nvidia also lows. Microsoft lows. Tesla lows. AMD highs. Amazon highs. Google highs. 1630 high day. Disney lows. Gotta keep an eye on that Disney. There's Disney hitting new lows. Disney continuing to go. Apple, new lows. Nvidia, new lows. Things coming very quickly here. And this Disney, right, this 94.20 against 95.10. I need to put that on. I'm gonna go ahead and throw something up here at 94.20 in case we get it. Disney continuing to drop. Coin also dropping. Less concerned about that. And Microsoft popping back up to this spot here. 309s against 310s. Yeah. Got to put that in, those 309s against 310s. Disney not popping back up yet. Don't want to be too aggressive. Disney new lows. Maybe I need to get down to 94. I'm at 94.20s. Microsoft not getting up to that 309. Microsoft close to lows. Both of these look like they're in trouble right now. Microsoft on lows, Disney on lows. Not finding a way into Disney quite yet. It is popping up. I'm going to get a little bit more aggressive here with Disney. I'm going to move down to 94. And Microsoft continuing to move lower. Disney new lows. Disney not able to pop. Disney new lows. Microsoft hitting that support area there from the prior day. Microsoft new lows. Disney new lows. Meta new lows. Microsoft still going. Microsoft and BABA also reaching highs. Disney continuing to get pummeled here. Gonna move down one more time to the, what is that, down to the low 90s. And Microsoft, I'm wondering if I need to move down to this 308 30s area. Gonna go ahead and do that. Microsoft 308 30s against 309 basically. And BABA continuing to move higher. Big move down on Nvidia too. Microsoft continuing to move lower. Wow. And Disney can't get up at all. Microsoft. I mean, there's no pop here. It's just straight down. So there's not much I can do. I can't just hit the bid. Very big moves. Microsoft just sitting on lows, just getting sold. Disney looking for some kind of pop up here. Might have to go down to like 93.40s. Coin on pre-market highs. Apple hitting lows. Gonna set a new low a day on Apple. There's Google on highs. Really curious about this Microsoft and this Disney though, especially Disney with that first day break down 8%. And I'm wondering if I need to be more aggressive and come down to 93.30s on this against 94. I'm gonna do that. 93.30s against 94. Can we pop up there? Google on new highs. Nvidia on new lows. Google looking very strong, and opening range breakout. Google continuing to go. Microsoft just continues to get sold. Wow. Microsoft new lows. So sellers just really going strong here in a number of names. Disney finally popping up for once. Curious to see what it looks like above 93. Nvidia and Google continuing to go. What a move. Look at that 16 level. 1660s. Meta on highs. Coin on highs. And Disney, Disney gets above. Almost got the fill there, 39 cents. I did not get it. I did not get it. Moved down to 35. 32. Trying to get filled there. Got it right there. It does eventually pop up to the 40s. Apple's on lows. So I am short short Disney here at 32 cents. And my stop here is above, or right at 94 basically. So we're looking for new lows on this Disney. I mean, this is a trade to hold situation on Disney. So we are looking for new lows and then more. So at 92.50s, I can take one off, but that's about it. Baba on highs. Microsoft popping up. Baba on new highs. What did Google do? Still on highs. Let's move Disney over here onto this screen. And then let's take a look at Microsoft again. Microsoft, I'm still trying to get short up here. Disney popping up above. There's not really much for me to do there. This is yeah, pretty straightforward trade here. Need to put this one on. Let's see here. Microsoft still holding up. Let's go back to Google. Yeah, that 1660 on Google. Look at that. That was a great spot. Here's Meta on highs. And BABA also on highs. BABA looks great. BABA looks wonderful. Wow. And Meta. BABA looks just really, really. Look at that daily. I am surprised this Disney is not coming in faster. Down 8%. Here's a trip under the hole. I mean, I really do expect this to go revisit lows. Here's 93 getting tested. Google's on highs. Let's see here. BABA coming in. Google's on highs. And what did Microsoft do? Microsoft almost got up there for that short. Where was I? 308.30. 308.30. Disney down to the 92.80s. Looking to see if it comes into this low a day here at 50 cents. Here's the 80s. Can she continue to crack? Stalled out right there. That was weird. I'm going to take one off right there. I don't like that stall. Where is my stop? 97 cents. I'm going to cancel that and honor my stop. Still keep it up there. So I just took one off just to lock in some of the risk. That I would have fully expected that to hit lows. It didn't. Microsoft getting back up to this level. It might be able to peak up above. Google continuing on highs. I'm going to push this to a 2-minute here. Google going back to highs. And then BABA, which I would have liked to have gotten long right against that 86. Look at that level. Google, just so strong. I think this is the stop on BABA. And yeah, I wonder if I can get something. Oh man, I'm late. I'm late to it. I don't know if I'll be able to get these 30s. It's a lot to risk on BABA. Look at this Disney. Come all the way back. There's Disney. All the way back there. And I'm going to hold on. I still think this is a trade to hold. I just don't think it's ready yet. Let's see here. this BABA, and I really like this BABA. So if I try to get in at the 30s, I have to risk down to the 90s, 40 cents. I'll try to do it a little bit smaller size, but I'll try to put that on. I don't think I'm going to get that. Microsoft very close to filling me. I'm going to scalp this one out. Got filled on Microsoft, short here at 30 cents. Stop is closer to 309. This is a scalp for me on this Microsoft. I am looking, this has not cracked any significant levels, so I'm just going to take what I can get on this. Hopefully it can flush down below 208 and I can cover some down there. 308, not 208. Here is Microsoft coming into the 8s. Gonna just cover one there. Let's see if it drops into the 80s. Back above 308. Covered one Microsoft down there. Market coming in now. I need to adjust my 308.95 stop here on Microsoft, and I don't even think I want to give it that much. Yeah, here comes Microsoft down in. There's the 80s. Can we get down? Can we get down further below those 80s? I mean, I think down here to the 307 area is really the spot. Here's the 80s on Microsoft coming in. Also, Disney back down to the 80s. Is it going to run for lows? I do want to see what it looks like down near low a day. Disney. Microsoft down here again and struggling. There's the 70s on Disney. 70s on Disney, starting to come back down into that low a day area. 60s on Disney. And I'm getting close to another fill here at lows on Disney. Got it right there. I am down to a third left on Disney. And let's see what happens here on Disney. And I'm actually just going to trail Disney here. By about 25 cents. And I did not get the cover down here in Microsoft at 66 cents. So let me just cover it right there. Got it right there. Disney continuing to drop. Disney down to the 30s. Still short that. Microsoft also still short that. And Microsoft, I'm going to cover down at the hole if I can get it down there. We got the market coming in. So this Disney trade working. I have a trailing stop on Disney and then Microsoft. I have a cover down at the hole. If we get down there. Okay, stopped out of Disney right there. I do like that trade, nice trade there. And then Microsoft doesn't look like we're gonna get down to that hole. Let's see if we do it on this push here. Here's Microsoft coming down in and got down to 20 cents. Kind of just spiked right back up, there. 60s, 70s. Let's see if we get back down there to those 30s. Not really, no. Just got, what did it get down to? It got down to 18 cents and then spiked 60 cents up. So, that was my area that I was looking to cover that in. I wonder if it'll retrace back down to the 40s or 50s, and I'll just take a cover down there. Just be a little more patient with it. But don't really want to see it. Yeah, it's just sucking right back up. Yeah, looks like the selling is done here on Microsoft. I'm going to go ahead and take a cover here in the mid 70s, and I am flat Microsoft. Oh, there it goes down to the 60s. Flat Microsoft and down to the 50s as well. So, and flat Disney, and pretty nice trade. Too bad I couldn't get that cover off on Microsoft down there. It came within 10 cents, I think, of it, and there's Microsoft down in the 40s. So if I had been just a tad bit more patient, I could have had a slightly better cover on my last lot there. But came very, very close to getting that cover. It didn't happen today, but that's trading. So, oh, there it is down to the 30s, 20s, and there you go. Would have gotten it right there on Microsoft. So there you go. That's why you need to be more patient on some of these. I would have definitely gotten my fill down there and caught another 60 cents on that last lot.